As you can see, this app is willing to pay you $185. This one also $240. This website $185, 185, $239, $185. And this money is money that you can cash out. This money is money that you can cash out. So guys, I will be showing you how you can make this money using this app. Come back to the screen of my phone. If you're new to this channel, please do want to subscribe to our channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, we love you. So guys, like I said, I made a video yesterday, and you guys know that I love showing you how to make money on your phone. Based on a mobile phone is what we go around with all the time. So like I said yesterday, I uploaded a video and said I'll be showing you another app that will enable you to make times two of what you are making on micro workers. Now I am not joking, there are thousands of people using this method and they are cashing out big time. If you have the time that you can use, I always said for you to make money online, you have to have a value that you want to exchange, or you have to have something that you want to exchange. Now for some of us that don't have skill, we just have to look for a way around how to make money online. So guys, on this video today, or in this video today, I'll be showing you guys how you can make money using your Instagram. In fact, not just your Instagram, any Instagram account, how you can make money using that Instagram app. So, and I would like you to follow me to the end of this video because it is a step-by-step video. In fact, you can basically watch this video and then come back to, you can basically watch this video and then come back to rewatch it. You understand? So what I'll first do is I will head straight onto my Chrome browser. Yeah, I will head straight onto my Chrome browser and I will type in a website called AddMeFast.com. AddMeFast.com. AddMeFast.com is a website where you go and you do, minor tasks like following people on Instagram, watching YouTube videos for 5 seconds. Also use this website that I'm showing you to watch YouTube videos and make money. So what we're just going to do is we're going to click on try for now, which is the sign up button. Now the registration is just basically your email, your password, then you retype the password and you sign up. So after signing up, you're going to get this congratulations message. If you don't get this congratulations message, it's either your browser is not refreshing or there is an error somewhere like that. And then the next thing you have to do is to sign into your account. So this is what AddMeFast.com looks like. The AddMe is spelled as AddMe, then fast, FAST.com. Now this is what they do on this AddMeFast. What you're going to be doing is either liking a Facebook page, watching a YouTube video, liking an Instagram account, subscribing, following, the social media activities that you do for free. But rather on this AddMeFast, you do it and you earn points. Now let's just scroll down. Let's scroll down to this section where it says why AddMeFast.com. It says we are the leaders in the field of social media marketing and promotion. So that is basically what they do. They promote social medias. They have more than 6.7 million active users. We have more than 6.7 million active users from more than 211 countries. So basically, any country you are and you want to grow your social media channel or promote any of your accounts, you can come on AddMeFast and sign up. Their payment method, we have several payment method. We have the credit card, the crypto, the mobile, the e-wallet and more. So there are a lot of payment method here that you can choose from, but on this website you will see what we are going to be using our payment method, what we are going to be using as our own payment method. They have user friendly interface and they have a support section. A support section is where you can chat with them and it says English only. So if you don't even know how to speak English, you can use Google Translate. Then you type in whatever you want on the Google Translate and then you copy it and paste it to their chat whatever if you're chatting with them. So what we are just going to do is to come back here and click on this try for now. But before then, as you can see, this particular number up here keeps changing, it keeps adding up. So that is basically what is going on their platform. Like the number of exchanges, probably you are exchanging your point for something, this is what is going on. So I click on this try for now. Try for now is simply the registration. So all you need to do is to input your email, your password and re-enter that same password again. The password can be simple, whatever you have, just input your password. So I'll be filling mine in now. Yeah, so guys, you sign up and after the signing up, you're going to get an email that will tell you to confirm your account. So what you're going to do is to head straight to your email and confirm your account registration. So this is my email here and it said confirm your AddMeFast account email to finish up. So you're just going to click on this link to confirm it. Voila, voila. So here we have it. Once you just click on the link, it says your account is already confirmed. Now you can log in and start free SMME. So that is basically all. As you can see, there are a lot of, they even have a Telegram account where you can join in case you want to discuss something or have something to say. So let's just go straight back into signing in. So once you click on the confirmation link and you're here, it will bring you to the contract section. I mean, it's just like rules and regulation where you just have to read through, read it through, blah blah blah, and come down here and click on the agree. I agree. As you can see, it has the company details, the address and all of you. You click on I agree. So once you click on I agree, voila, it says thank you for choosing AddMeFast. Now this thank you for choosing AddMeFast, you just come to this section here. They have a lot of deals around here, winter sales, because they also sell some stuff as well, but that's not majorly our own concern. So you have to click on this three dots here. So when you click on it, you come down here, you click on my tax. As you can see, you come down here, you click on my tax. Yes, only qualified good, blah 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 blah. So these are the tax, these are a lot of tax that are available for you to do. So all you need to do is just click on a particular tax and you read the details, and if you can do it, you do it. So it says follow, earn free $1, easy tax, YouTube like. So I think we're going to be doing this YouTube like. Let's click on this YouTube like. Click on get. Once you click on get on this YouTube live, you will see the details about the work that you want to do. The reason why I'm still going through all this is because some people said that I should just make sure that I go through it, that they don't care the length of the video, while some said they care about the length that is too much. So I'm just trying to balance the equation here. And please, I do not have any group that I'm adding anybody currently. I do not have any group that I'm adding anybody currently. So if you see messages like this ones here, it is not me. It is not me. You get. Yeah, so guys, the first one I viewed was premium tax. They said I don't have permission to view it because I'm using a free account. So what I will just do here is to come back here again, and then I'll come down. As you can see, there are a lot of jobs you can do here: coin market, FB like, Facebook share, Facebook follower, Facebook page, Reddit member, Telegram channel, Instagram followers, all those things, TikTok followers, Instagram like. So I think I'll just do TikTok follower, right? Let's see if we're going to do TikTok follower or TikTok view. Like, let's just click on TikTok. Any TikTok job is definitely going to be fast. Manually, the pop-up would not receive point. Please, it is important for you to follow instructions so that you receive your points. Yeah, so on this AddMeFast, as you can see, the works are in point. So what you just need to do, if in case your own is not showing, because their site somehow it's a little bit tacky. As you can see here, I already have 12 points just doing YouTube and Facebook posts. So but then again, you can come here. Once you come here, you either turn it to a desktop site or you open in Chrome. Yes, if you initially signed up or open, it might not show you like open in Chrome. So you just have to change it yourself to open in Chrome or change it to desktop site, which we are going to be using or which we are going to be needing. So the next site that we do, but because before the next site, please just do what to follow this tutorial step by step because it's a bit whatever. Now these 12 points, what we are just going to be doing on this website is converting them to Instagram followers. Do you understand? Converting them to Instagram followers. We are going to use our 12 points to buy Instagram followers. So if you have 120 points, it means you can use it to buy 1,200 followers, Instagram followers. So all you need to do is to create a new account on Instagram. Please don't use your probably maybe a local name or a, a traditional name. Just look for a nice English name. You understand? Maybe Mary, um Mary Brent or Mary Jack or something like that, sha. So you just sign up a new account on Instagram and you just come here. Once you come here, I don't want to show that process because it will make this video too long. Once you come here, you hit these three dots. Sorry, I have to reload this page. So after reloading the page, I'll just come here and I'll click on add site or link. As you can see, this add site or link, can you see it? This add site or link will bring you to another phase. Please bear in mind 700 points. 700 points will buy you 7,000 Instagram followers on this website. They have millions of workers on this website, so 700 points will buy you 7,000 followers. 800 points will buy you 8,000 followers on Instagram. So that's basically what you need. So once you click on this add site or link, it will bring you to this face. Here you can add or edit your content. Here you have to choose the kind of whatever you want, either Instagram followers, Facebook followers. As you can see, there are lots and lots of them. YouTube likes, YouTube followers. But here we are going to be doing Instagram followers. So you click on Instagram followers, and this place where it has username is where you're going to input your link. You understand? When you're going to input your link, and you can select the countries you want your followers to be from. You understand? But then again, it has already ticked it here worldwide. It means some of them promote worldwide. This CPC. Sorry, I'm just trying to explain calmly to those people that probably would say they don't understand. That's why I'm just trying to explain it here. So you just turn these daily clicks and total clicks on. CPC is the amount of followers you want. After all those things, now after signing up, doing all these things, you just click on save changes. So once you save changes, any amount of followers that you've clicked, there's any amount of CPC, I guess, that you've clicked, that is the amount they will deduct from your points. Now this point, we are not to withdraw it, although you can withdraw it, but just to avoid issues and all those things. That's why I'm saying this particular method, this is what we are going to be doing in this particular method. Now since you have 700 points and you've gotten your 7,000 followers on a particular Instagram page, the next thing we are going to do is to minimize this and open a new tab, and we're going to type in playerup.com. You sell social media accounts on that website, on this website here. So this is what PlayerUp look like. PlayerUp helps you to sell your social media account. As you can see, this one is selling. It sells from 1k to 10k followers. It sells how much? $15. If you come down here, it sells $10. Come down here, this one sells $500. This one is selling a clothing account for $500. So as you can see, they have a whole lot here. Even if you click on the menu, you can see a whole lot of things on the menu here. So what you're just going to do is to sign up on Player Up and start putting out your account for sale. People make their money on this website. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do what to subscribe to our channel, like and drop us an emoji in the comment section, either a like emoji or a love emoji. We really appreciate. And then I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.